Good morning, my dear children. In today's class, we will discuss about some more plants. Okay. In last class, we discussed about some plants. Which are they? Yes, climbers. What do you know about climbers? Climbers need a support to grow. Then next was creepers. Creepers are growing along the ground. Then the next was herbs. Herbs are the plants with a soft and a thin stem. Then shrubs. Yes, very good. Shrubs have strong and woody stem. In today's class, we will discuss about some more plants. Okay, just look at the picture of a garden, children. We saw more plants in the garden. You may not know the name of some plants which are very small, right? We can write the name of big plants on the board. Which are they? Yes. First one was a neem tree. Then next, mango tree. Then apple tree, very good. Which are the other plants? Yes, we don't know the name of that plants which are very small. Okay, so we categorized these three plants into one group. You also classified like this, no? Yes, good. The first group contains big, strong trees which have strong trunks and have many branches also on it. So we categorized them in one group. What about the second group? The second group consists of grasses. Okay, the first group was trees. So we could classify these plants into two as trees, and the next group is grasses. Okay, the second group consists of grasses which does not have stems and branches, but it has long leaves. Okay, they are growing very close to the ground. So we got two categories again, no? Which are they? Trees and the next grasses. Okay, trees and grasses. Children, now you help me to write the differences between trees and grasses on the board. Okay, first we can write about trees. What do you know about the trees? We observed many pictures and we discussed also about the trees, right? So tell me about the trees. Yes, strong stem, then many branches, very good. Then okay, thick and woody stem. Strong stem, thick and woody. Okay. Next, we need to write about the grasses too. Ready? Yes. Grasses. About the grasses, what do you know about the grasses? Small and thin stem. Okay, we can write some examples for trees also. That you can write, no? Trees, they have strong, thick and woody stem. Then they have many branches. What about the grasses? Small and thin stem. Now you got the differences. Children, I took one grass from my garden to show you how the grass is looking like. Okay. See, just look at this grass, all of you. Yes, these grasses are very small and these grasses are growing very close to the ground. There, look at their stem. The stem is very soft, weak and thin. Yes, I have one more. Grass is also very small, growing very close to the ground. And there, look at their stem, thin and weak. Their leaf part is bigger, right? But there are some grasses like bamboos. You can see the picture of bamboos, which are growing tall as trees. Grasses are mostly herbs, but some grasses are growing as tall as trees. Bamboo is an example for that. The grasses which are growing huge as trees are known as tree grasses. What we can call them? Yes, tree grasses. Can you say an example for tree grass? I told you just before. Yes, bamboo. Very good. Sugarcane is also a tree grass because it have no stems but it has long leaves on the top. So, which is example for tree grass? Yes, bamboo. Then is sugarcane a grass? Yes, sugarcane is also a grass because it has no stems but it has long leaves on the top. Can we finish S3 now? Okay, we can. Children, now you write the date and read the heading. Trees and grasses. Okay, the question. First question. What makes trees different from all other types of plants? We studied about various types of plants, but how the trees are different from all other types of plants. You can write this answer very easily. You have to write one sentence there. Then the second question, circle the grass. Simple question, no? Why do you think they are grass? Now you have to write the features of grasses as second answer. Okay. Then the third question, can grass be as tall as a tree? Yes, we studied one example also. If yes, give examples. You can write the example. Children, the name of our fourth lesson is plant type. In this lesson, we will decide whether a plant is climber, creeper, herb, shrub, tree or grass. Children, you have to observe your surroundings and try to decide the plant type. Okay, because we know already about the plants, we learn about the plants in detail. Now we can decide the type of plant. Okay, that is what we are going to do in this lesson. Okay, in our surroundings we can see many kinds of plants, trees with woody stem and more branches, and we can see shrubs with woody stem and many branches. What is the difference between shrubs and trees? Both are looking same, no? Yeah, looking same, but the branches of shrubs are very close to the ground. But what about the trees? They are all very tall and stronger than shrubs. Okay, some shrubs grow on to become trees over a period of time. For an example, you can see lilac tree and cherry tree. They will become trees over a period of time. In the 37th page of your workbook, we can see some plants. The pictures of 5 plants are there. We have to complete this table now. Okay. We know everything about the plants because we studied in last 2 classes. So we can complete this very easily. If it is difficult for you, madam is here to help you. Don't worry, okay? Complete the table. What do you have to do first? Yes, you have to write the date and read the heading, all of you. Plant type. The first picture is a tulsi plant. Okay. Which type of plant is this? Which type of plant is tulsi? Yes, you know. What do you think so? You need to write the reasons too. What kind of plant is this? It has woody stem, it has many branches, but their branches are very close to the ground. So what kind of plant is tulsi? You got some hints, right? Okay. Then the next is a picture of yes. The next one is also a plant which has many branches with woody stem. The branches are very close to the ground. The branches are very close to the ground. Then the next picture, it is a tall one, tall plant. Okay. Then the next is climbing up with a support. This plant need a support to grow. We learned about this plant in our first lesson. Okay. Now you can complete this table easily. Now if you have any doubt, ask me. I will help you. Okay. Stay safe. Study well. Thank you.